So you just barely sent a text on iMessage to someone you definitely did not mean to send it to. Don't worry, I got you covered. Well, I hope you're on the latest version of iOS, because if you're not, then this doesn't quite work. You might be a little bit screwed, but don't worry, I'll still try to help you. I know this is really embarrassing. If you're on iOS 16, you can unsend and edit messages, and it's super simple. So you only have 2 minutes to unsend a message, so let me just jump right into it since you definitely do not want them to see this message. So deleting or unsending a message on iMessage is super simple. You're just gonna go to the message, hold down on it, and then click unsend. But let's say it's been past 2 minutes. Now I'm gonna show you how to edit. So you're gonna do this back and base, so I'm gonna show you how to edit. You're just gonna hold down on the message again, and right below the unsend, there is also an edit button. From there, you'll be able to edit the message to something smooth like this. I'm sure they wouldn't notice. So they will be able to see the edited message underneath. So you're gonna wanna hope they just don't click on that, because if they do, then they'll see the past messages as well. And if they're on a version of iOS before iOS 15, then they'll receive another message, and that may also look a little funny. So you're gonna just wanna pray that they're on iOS 16. And if it's past 50 minutes or you're on iOS 15 or earlier, you're just gonna have to pull a quick recovery. I wish you the best of luck.